Hey there DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting and super useful tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix shoe sole separation without causing any damage. This is a common issue that can happen to any type of shoe, but don't worry, it's easier to fix than you might think. Whether it's your favorite sneakers, those comfy dress shoes, or even your trusty hiking boots, this step-by-step guide will have you walking with confidence in no time. No need to throw away your beloved footwear just because the sole is coming off. So let's get started. First, you'll need a few basic supplies to get the job done right. You'll need some shoe glue, a small brush, masking tape, a clamp or heavy object, and a clean cloth. These items are essential for ensuring a strong and lasting bond. You can find shoe glue at most hardware stores or online. It's specifically designed to bond rubber and leather, making it perfect for this job. Make sure to get a good quality glue to avoid having to redo the repair. Step 1. Clean the area. Begin by cleaning the separated area of the shoe. This is a crucial step that ensures the glue will adhere properly. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dirt or debris. This ensures the glue adheres properly. If there's any old glue, gently scrape it off with a small knife or your fingernail. Be thorough but gentle to avoid damaging the shoe. Step 2. Apply the glue. Next, take your shoe glue and apply a thin, even layer to both surfaces that need to be bonded. This is where the magic happens. Use a small brush to spread the glue evenly. Be careful not to use too much glue, as it can ooze out and make a mess. A thin layer is usually sufficient for a strong bond. Step 3. Press and secure. Once the glue is applied, press the sole and shoe together firmly. This step is crucial for ensuring that the glue bonds well. Hold them in place for about 30 seconds to ensure a good initial bond. Then, use masking tape to secure the sole to the shoe, keeping it tightly in place. This will help maintain pressure while the glue sets. Step 4. Clamp and cure. Now grab your clamp or a heavy object like a thick book or a brick. Place it on top of the shoe to maintain pressure while the glue cures. This step is essential for a strong and lasting bond. Let it sit for at least 24 hours. This curing time is crucial for a strong and lasting bond. Don't rush this step. Patience is key to a successful repair. Step 5. Remove the tape and inspect. After 24 hours, remove the masking tape and inspect your work. The sole should be firmly attached to the shoe. If there are any areas that didn't bond well, repeat the glue application and curing process. It's better to take a little extra time to ensure a perfect repair. And there you have it. Your shoe is as good as new and you did it all yourself. Not only have you saved money, but you've also extended the life of your favorite footwear. Remember, this method not only saves you money, but also extends the life of your favorite footwear. It's a win-win situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to help you with your DIY projects. Thanks for watching and happy repairing. Keep those shoes in great shape and keep walking with confidence.